up, hooligans? It's Jennifer and welcome back to Osos, which is 2020 backwards. I was gonna say I'm sad to say, but I'm actually very happy to say that Osos is almost over. Today I am bringing you guys some gift ideas. Before we get started with the video though, I am doing a bunch of giveaways on my Instagram all throughout December, and I might be giving away some AirPod Pros. Actually, I definitely am giving away some AirPod Pros, so make sure to follow me on Instagram at JENerationDIY. Ugh, why does my hair look stupid? No, we need some self-love. Okay, I split this video up into a couple different categories. The first category are DIYs. Most of these are DIYs that I've done on my channel before, so I want to compile them into this video. I'll leave links down below to all of the video tutorials and also the links to all of the products that I'm about to go through. I also forgot to mention I do have a whole video dedicated to DIY aesthetic gift ideas that I uploaded last week. I'll link that down below, as well as all of my DIY gift ideas videos. Go check it. Let's do it. The first idea is, of course, DIY scrunchies or scrunchies that you can buy. These are super easy to make as long as you have fabric at home. You can use an old t-shirt, and if you have hair ties, these are so simple and quick to make either with a glue gun or sewing machine or needle and thread. The second thing is something embroidered. You can thrift something, or you can embroider a shirt that you buy, a hoodie, or a bucket hat. This is one that I have embroidered. I just think it's really cute. You could also get them an embroidery kit if they're more into the DIY side. They're super affordable on Amazon, or you can get one of those that are just like a hoop and the specific embroidery threads that you need for a certain design. I think those are really cool. You could also embroider a patch. I also have a DIY tutorial on this, and you just need some needle and some fabric and a lot of time. The next idea is a bucket hat. I just made this out of scrap denim, but you can use like whatever fabric that you have. I just think bucket hats are so cute. I hope they never go out of trend because they are so useful for hiding gross hair. All right, the next thing is a Spotify plaque. I absolutely love the one that I have in my room right now. It's a Dua Lipa one. I have like a candle in front of mine right now, so it looks like a shrine, which is pretty accurate. So for my friend's birthday a couple months ago, I actually made a Spotify playlist of songs that we love to listen together or have like memories attached to together. I actually used the barcode for that playlist on the plaque so that she could scan it and then open up the playlist, and then I just added like a picture of us as the album artwork. The next one is a macrame plant hanger with the actual plant. These are actually really easy to make and really quick to make. You just need some rope. You basically like braid it in a way and then just get like a cute little plant and plant bolt. What the frig? Plant with the friggin' plant holder? Pot. Plant pot! You could also make them a custom hoodie or crew neck or shirt with letters. I sewed on the letters of my latest song, Falling to Your Knees. I saw this on TikTok where this girl sewed on the letters loser, and it actually turned out really cute. The next idea is to make stickers. They're actually so easy to make, and you probably already have all the materials at home. You could give them that, or you could decorate something with the stickers. I decorated this really cute water bottle with a bunch of butterflies that I made. This like reminds me to drink water. You could also make them a friendship bracelet. I used to make these so often as a wee tot. You can make matching ones for you and your friend. You can paint them a mirror. I painted my mirror with a bunch of clouds. You could just get them one of those like small makeup mirrors and paint them. And I just used acrylic paint, so if they really didn't like it, they could just like wash it off. You could also paint them a canvas. My friend Caitlin always paints me canvases and I love them. I just love getting DIY gifts because it's like so much more thoughtful and like heartfelt. Okay, the next one is a custom laptop or phone case. I made this really cool laptop case that I still have on my laptop to this day. It just has a bunch of pictures that I like that I turned into like little Polaroid looking things, but they're all just like printed on paper. I just think this is really cute, like kind of scrapbooky, but it's a decorative moment, you know? But another idea is making a scrapbook. I think those are so fun. They do take a lot of effort, but I think for me, money. Such a fun idea. Those are the DIY ideas. Moving on to the next category, which is food related products. So for food things, you probably don't want to be mailing these. Probably just give them to people who are like locally in your area. So the first idea is chocolate covered strawberries. You can make these really easily. Just get a bunch of strawberries, get a bunch of like chocolate, melt it in the microwave, and dip them in and decorate them all. They're so good. You could also make like chocolate covered Oreo balls. Those are also really easy to make. Okay, the next idea I love, and I want someone to, actually I was gonna say I want someone to give it to me, but I already have one, but a DIY bubble tea making kit. I know you spend a lot of money on bubble tea. It really can rack up because like nowadays you can pay up to like $7 for a drink, which I think is insane. There's a bunch online. I'll link some down below, of course. Next is a cheese board, like the actual cutting board, or like a pre-made cheese board. I think that would be really fun. I know my friend really loves cheese. Maybe I should get her cheese board for Christmas. I'm gonna put that on my list. Okay, next are macarons. Macaroons. You could probably look at some local bakeries if they have like cute custom ones that you can do. I also really love the ones from Costco that are like $20 for like 40 or something crazy. Okay, the next one are these hot chocolate bombs that I've been seeing all over Pinterest. You can definitely make these, but you can also search up if there's any places locally that make these. You just get one of those molds and like pour the chocolate in and then put some mini marshmallows and hot chocolate mix in, put them together, and then when you pour hot milk over it, it like explodes. I really want to make them, but I also want someone to give them to me. So if any of my friends are watching, please give me a hot chocolate bomb. Next up is a NutriBullet. I actually don't have one, but I've seen literally every YouTuber use one in their morning routines to make like smoothies and smoothie bowls. The next one is a waffle maker. Kind of random. I think it's a cool gift if people really like waffles. Okay, the next one I came across randomly online, but a Harry Potter cauldron mug. I just think it's really cool for like Harry Potter lovers. Okay, the next one is a HelloFresh gift card. If you don't know what HelloFresh, not sponsored. If you don't know what it is, it's this subscription where they will deliver groceries to your door, but they're like pre-packaged into different meals, and they have like a meal card with recipes and stuff. Because I know also right now we're all kind of scared to go to the grocery store, so I feel like this would be a really suitable gift for this time that we're in. Okay, the next category is self-care, beauty, things that you put on your body, kind of. Face masks, like the skincare type, either like the sheet masks, which are really affordable, or these are some that I really like. Blue Beauty Glacial Oceanic Clay one comes in this really cool packaging, and it's local to Canada, which I think is really cool. And then I really like this Florence by Mills one. It's a peel-off mask, and it doesn't hurt at all when you peel it off. I also like these ones from Summer Fridays. By the way, I'm gonna be giving these away. These next things I literally swear by. They are under eye patches, and I love the ones from Florence by Mills, but these ones are my favorites. They are the green tea eye gel patches. I got them off of Amazon, and I don't know if they actually work, but they just feel so good under my under eyes, and like whenever I'm tired, I'll just put them there and I feel a lot better. I feel like it might be a placebo effect, but whatever. Next up is body butter, and I have two recommendations from small businesses. One is from Gentle on Instagram. The other one I recommend is from IMO Natural. I ordered from them and they are amazing and really affordable. Next is nail polish. I always love receiving nail polish. Maybe it's a personal thing, but I have my nails painted and I feel like it's a really fun like quarantine activity right now, especially if you can't go to like the nail salon. Also, press-on nails. Here's a small business for press-on nails that I just found. Next is perfume. I feel like this is such a luxurious gift and lasts a super long time. Okay, the next one I think is so cool, but they're like temporary tattoos that you can customize, and I specifically recommend the ones from Inkbox because those are the ones that I've gotten ads for on Instagram. Next are blue light glasses. These are mine. They're actually prescription glasses, but I have blue light lenses on them. Next is a makeup mirror, specifically ones with like the light on the perimeter. Next up, we got stationery. If there's someone in your life who really likes planning or wants to get into planning, I would recommend you get them a bullet journal. My recommendation is to check out, is that a freaking spider? There's a spider. I'm fine. I would highly recommend these ones from my friend Amanda Rach Lee, shop Amanda Rach Lee. I have like 5 of these or something. It's kind of crazy. I literally use this one every single day. This is her doodle planner. I just like will color in every month and it's so useful for planning all my days and videos and all that kind of stuff. But she also has dotted journals. I also will be giving one of these away on my Instagram, so make sure to check out JENerationDIY on Instagram. Along with that, you could get them like a whole bullet journal or like stationery starter kit. I would recommend the mild liner highlighter pens. They're double-sided. One side is like a highlighter fatter side, and then one side is the skinnier side. And then also washi tape. Again, I'm gonna recommend ones from my friend Amanda, shop Amanda Rach Lee. Next up, we have like home gear, decor, all that kind of stuff. A cordless vacuum, specifically the one from Dyson, because all my friends are raving about it. That's when you know you're becoming an adult, when you are obsessed with a vacuum. Next up is a neon sign. You can get custom ones. Next up is colored lamp light things. So I have LED strips, of course. Every good TikToker has these nowadays. I also have this color changing lamp on my desk here and also in my LA apartment. I love this so much. You can just like spin it and it'll change colors. Oh, and would you look at that? Star projector. Iconic TikTok item. On that note, a projector in general, like just to put movies up on a blank wall, or when it's summertime, you can put up a blanket in the backyard and project movies onto there. I think it's super cute. Next up is a throw blanket. I have this fuzzy one on my bed that my friend gave me a couple years ago, and I literally use it every single day. Next are candles. I feel like these are great if you're someone who likes smelling good things. But also specifically, I really like these ones from my friend Drew, Lone Fox's shop. He has this cool hand ones, this like rock and roll one, and also a middle finger one, I think. Okay, the next category is clothing related stuff. You could get them something from Reformation, which is a sustainable clothing brand. I'm not sure if they have gift cards, but that would be really great. You could also get someone something crochet, like custom crochet. There's a bunch of small businesses that do this. The one I recommend that I've bought from is Made with Soul. She has a bunch of really cute items. Let me go grab one. I wore this tank top a lot in the summer. I think it's so cute. The next thing is in a completely different vein. We're feeding into big corporations and capitalism, but Air Force Ones. I feel like these are a classic shoe. I ordered them a while ago, so I'll let you know how it goes, but I ordered them in a kid size, like an older kid size. They're significantly cheaper than the adult ones, so if you know someone who has small feet, you can get them Air Force Ones at a reduced price in the kid size. Okay, the next thing is a blanket hoodie. I feel like we've all seen these ads on Instagram or on YouTube or something like that. The next thing is a sewing machine, which can be quite expensive, but the one that I have in LA is like maybe under $100. You can get ones that are also secondhand. The next category is tech. I don't know if you guys have heard of this, but it's really cool. It's called a tile tracker. You can attach it to certain things to track them. It's like Find My iPhone, but find whatever you have the tracker on. Your backpack, your your child, I don't know, like literally anything you want. Next is a Bluetooth speaker, like a smart speaker, a Google Home, Alexa. And then we have the whole array of Apple products, Apple Watch, AirPods. By the way, I'm giving away on Instagram, check it out. Also the new iPhone. I have this iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil, and for anyone who is into like graphic design or drawing, or like anyone trying to start some sort of like art related business, I feel like a tablet with a stylus is so crucial. You could get them a biodegradable phone case. Casetify has these biodegradable ones made of bamboo. Next is a phone gimbal. I don't know if you've seen these on TikTok before, but they basically like make all your phone movements really stable if you're shooting video. Next is a selfie light for your phone, but also you can use them for your laptop. So this is one that I have. I got it off of Amazon. It's so useful for when you're in Zoom calls and you don't have good lighting. You just like put this on on your laptop. Next is an Instax printer. Obviously everyone knows Polaroid cameras exist, but I feel like these printers are really cool because you can connect it to your phone and you can print whatever you want. Okay, the next category is just like cool things that I didn't know how to put into other categories. This one I really love. It's a donation in the name of someone else. So I've had people actually gift me a donation to the World Wildlife Fund, and they'll send me this really cute stuffed animal. Next is a skateboard or longboard or penny board. I have this really cool longboard from Ghost Longboards. It's clear and it also lights up when you skate. Next is a record player. I have this one that I got off of Amazon. It was actually really affordable. I think it was like $50 or something. It's from One by One. You can get them a record. This is the one that I have. Dua Lipa, my queen. Mwah. And I also found out that you can make custom records. You can customize it with a bunch of their favorite songs in a playlist. Those are all of my gift ideas. Hopefully it helped you out a little bit. I mean, how could we forget after me plugging it like 10 times in this video to follow me on Instagram at JENerationDIY to participate in the giveaways that are going on. I just really want to let you guys know that I appreciate you so much. Just this is like one of the ways that I want to give back to you guys. I also am planning on doing a shopping small businesses video in the future. I think it's so important to shop from small businesses, especially this year, because I know a lot of people are struggling right now and there's so many great options from small businesses that you just simply cannot get from these large corporations. Shout out of the week is right here, and I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season. Stay safe, please. I will see you guys next time. Bye!